In this lesson, I will explain to you about citation and source and bibliography. I will show you how to insert citation and sources and bibliography in the document or in the research paper and why it is necessary. See, suppose if you are writing a research paper or a report or any article, and if you have taken some information from any other book, any other article, another journal, so it is necessary that you have to mention the source, that from where you have taken that information. If you will not mention, it means it is plagiarism. So it is necessary that you have to mention, and there are different fields. You have to write down the name of the author, in which year that book was published, what is the who is the publisher, and there are some other requirements. I will show you how to insert and how to write the citation and sources and bibliography. So I will read about citation and sources here. Citation is a method to tell the readers that certain material in work came from another source. Right? It is not your work. You have taken some information from another source. It also gives readers the information necessary to find that source, including information about the author, year, publisher, etc. And all these I will show you in which tab you have to go and how to insert in your document. When you use information from sources, you need to tell the readers where the information came from and where the readers can locate that sources. So it is important to very important to mention the sources. And bibliography, suppose in your one article or in one thesis there are three different paragraphs which you have taken. One paragraph you have taken from a book, one paragraph you have taken from a journal article, or one paragraph suppose you have taken from a art or movie or from any other source. So at the end of the report or at the end of the thesis, you have to mention as an appendix. It is called the bibliography. A list of written sources of information on a subject. Bibliographies usually appear as a list at the end of the book or article. They may show what works the author used in writing the article or journal or book, or they may list works that a reader might find useful. A list of the books referred to in a scholarly book, usually printed as an appendix. Right? So I hope it is clear that citation, sources, and bibliography, how to insert, how to write, now we are going to learn. So I have already made a report here for you, and this report consists of 7 pages. This is the MLA style, and we have discussed the MLA style in the last lecture as well, but here I am going to explain you again. MLA style says that your font should be Time Roman, so this is Time Roman, and your font size should be 12 according to MLA. I have made it 20 only for you so you can see easily, otherwise according to MLA it should be 12. And then the spacing, paragraph spacing or line spacing, so this is 2 according to MLA. We have set here 2. And one of the most important feature of the MLA, that each line of the paragraph should start from point 5 in indent. So this is the point 5 indent. So see, this is the first line of the first paragraph. It starts from the point 5 indent. This one second, this is the second paragraph. It starts from here, and all the remaining lines start from here. So this is, we have set our indent to point 5. So this is the MLA style. Now we are going to learn how to insert the citation. This is the suppose paragraph. You have taken this paragraph from a book. So here you have to insert your citation. See, insertion point is blinking here. Bring your insertion point between the period and the last letter of the word, which is R. It is blinking here. You have to click on the references tab, and in the references tab, citations and bibliography group, open this. See, it says style is MLA style, insert citation. Open this and click on add new source. So you will see that create source dialog box will open here. Type of source from where you have taken this information, this paragraph. Open this arrow, then you will find there is a book section, journal article, report, website, art, film, interview, from where you have taken. So make it simple. We will say this we have taken from a book. Then it will ask you what is the name of the author. So we will say, suppose, Carla Henry. Title of the book, just example, I will write down Good Habits. Year, suppose it was published in 1990. City, we can write down ABC. Publisher, we can write down ABC. I'm not going to mention any name. And see here, show all bibliography fields. If you put check mark here, then the remaining fields will come up and you have to fill according to your citation. So volume, suppose this is volume 4. Go down and find out pages. Suppose this book has 200 pages, and so on, and then okay. So your citation will appear here. When the reader will read your report, when he will see this Henry, it means that you have taken this information from some source, so he can open this arrow. This is called the citation option. Open this. There is the edit citation, edit source, so we can edit citation from here. Suppose pages, this page is 20, and then okay. So you will see besides Henry, 20 will also appear. If you want to edit your source, so this is the edit source. Open this, and here you said, oh, it was actually published in 1980. So make it 1980 and okay. And yes, we have updated. One more time, suppose the second paragraph or any other paragraph you have taken from journal. So bring your insertion point here, go to the insert citation, open it, and you will see your first citation is already there, Henry Carla, Good Habits. Add new source, open this, and this time suppose we are taking from the journal article. Click here, author is Ashley, title, How to Learn Computer, year, suppose 2000, pages 2. Similarly, if you will click on the show all bibliography fields, you will see the remaining fields as well, but for this it is okay, we say okay. So see, Ashley will appear here. Same thing, this arrow is called the citation options arrow. Open this, you can edit citation and sources here. Right, now is the bibliography. So when you will see that your report, I told you, that consists of 7 pages, and you will see these gaps between the pages. If you want to remove these gaps, it is very easy. See, it says bring your pointer here, and it says double click to hide the white space. Just double click. Sorry, this one. Double click and it's gone. Now all pages are attached. Now is the bibliography. So there are 2 citations. We have set 2 sources here. Now is the bibliography. I told you that bibliography appears at the end of the document. So bring your insertion point at the end of your document. After the period, it is blinking here. We have to insert the manual break here. How come? So go to the insert tab, and then this is the page break. Click here. This is the manual page break we did. Here in the center we have to write down works cited, so you can go on the home tab and click in this here center, but with the help of keyboard press Ctrl and E. It is in the middle, so write down work cited, press enter. Now you have to go back here. So see this one, if you click line align left or Control L on your keyboard, your insertion point will come up here. Now we are going to insert the bibliography. So see, this is the same citation and bibliography. Open this and then insert bibliography. So see, we have set 2 citation. One is for Ashley, How to Learn Computer, published in 2002, page number 2. Henry Carla, Good Habits, volume 4. ABC is the publisher, ABC is the city. It was published in 1980. This is the work cited or the bibliography. If now suppose you want to edit your source, so I told you one way you can go from here, but you can go manage sources from here as well. References tab, citations and bibliography, click on the manage sources, then you will see. So suppose Ashley, you want to edit this one, click on edit, and Ashley, you want to write down the last name, Ashley Robert, and okay, yes, and close. But you will see that your bibliography will is same. Ashley, you have to update your bibliography as well. So what you have to do, right click and then update field. So you will see Robert Ashley is also here. Right, so we have completed our citation, our sources, our bibliography, and the page break from insert and pages page break. Then you have to write down your bibliography because it should appear at the end of the document. One more thing, go to the view tab. I will show you the navigation pane. View tab, in the show group, click on the navigation pane. Navigation pane will open, and here you will see all your pages. We have 7 pages in our report, so you will see these are called the thumbnail, from where we have taken this navigation view, and you have to click on navigation pane. Suppose you want to see your page, this page, and you see this should be, I want to cut from here and I want to copy in page number 1 or 2. So very easy. Select this, home, copy, cut, and where you want to paste it. Suppose you want to paste it here, we will paste it and close your navigation pane. So in this lesson, you have learned citations, sources, and bibliography, and how to the page break, go to the insert, and from view tab, navigation pane, you can see the thumbnail. If still you have any question, you can write down in comment section, but please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.